The multiverse theory. What if we are not alone in our reality? We have always believed that we live in a singular reality, that the universe we observe through telescopes is all that exists. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if our world is just one of countless parallel worlds existing alongside ours, invisible yet real? Modern science, quantum physics, and even philosophy suggest that our reality may be just a small fragment of a vast, multiversal existence. And if that's true, what secrets lie beyond the limits of our perception? What is the multiverse theory? The idea of parallel universes isn't new. Ancient myths and religious texts have long spoken of alternate realms, inaccessible to ordinary humans. However, for the first time in history, modern science has begun to explore this concept mathematically and experimentally. There are several theories that propose the existence of multiple universes. Quantum mechanics and the many worlds interpretation. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. This helps the YouTube algorithm promote our videos. Thank you so much. And now we continue our story. According to Hugh Everett's interpretation, every decision we make creates a new universe. Each time we choose one path, reality branches. In one universe, you made one choice, while in another, you took a different path. Inflationary cosmology and the bubble universe theory. Physicist Andre Linde proposed that our universe is constantly expanding, and in different regions of space, separate and independent universes may be forming, each with its own physical laws. The brain-world hypothesis. String theory suggests that our universe is just one of many three-dimensional membranes floating in a higher dimensional space. These branes may occasionally intersect, possibly causing unexplained phenomena or even allowing small bits of information to leak between realities. Black holes as portals to other universes. Some scientists believe that every black hole could be an entrance to another universe. When matter is swallowed by a black hole, it might not simply vanish, it could be transported into another dimension, governed by entirely different physical laws. If even one of these theories is correct, then we are not living in a single reality, but in a vast network of infinite worlds. Can we interact with other universes? If parallel universes exist, is it possible for them to influence each other? Déjà vu and strange coincidences. Many people experience the feeling that they've lived a moment before, even though it's impossible to explain when or how. Some researchers speculate that déjà vu could be a brief overlap between parallel realities, allowing us to glimpse memories from another version of ourselves. Disappearing objects and reality shifts. People often report that objects mysteriously vanish and reappear in different locations, or that they remember events that never happened. Could this be evidence that our reality sometimes overlaps with others? Quantum phenomena. On the subatomic level, particles can exist in multiple states at once, or even teleport across space. Could similar effects be occurring on a grander scale, with entire universes? Experiments at the Large Hadron Collider. Scientists at CERN are studying the possibility of extra dimensions. Some believe that high-energy particle collisions could momentarily open gateways to other realities. If other universes exist, what lives there? If our world is just one of many, what about life in other universes? Alternate versions of ourselves. In another universe, you might be living a completely different life. In one, you became a famous musician. In another, you chose a different career. Or maybe you never existed at all. Worlds with different physical laws. Some universes could have completely different chemistry, where life is based not on carbon, but on silicon or entirely unknown elements. hyper-advanced civilizations. If some universes have existed for much longer than ours, they may contain civilizations with technology so advanced that we cannot even comprehend it. Beings that can travel between realities. Some theories suggest that certain entities may have already learned how to move between universes. Perhaps they are the origin of myths and legends that we have always dismissed as fantasy. Why haven't we proven the multiverse's existence? Despite the many theoretical models supporting it, we still lack direct evidence that parallel universes exist. The main reasons are limitations of human perception. Our senses and scientific instruments are designed to detect only the reality we live in. Lack of direct contact. If universes are completely separate, we may simply have no natural way of detecting them. The possibility of information isolation. If the multiverse theory is correct, our reality may be self-contained, meaning no data or matter can escape it into another. But what if rare moments of reality overlap do occur? Could unexplained phenomena be the result of brief intersections between different worlds? Conclusion: are we alone in our reality? If the multiverse theory is true, then our world is far from unique. Right now, another version of you could be reading this text in an alternate reality, with only minor details changed. But the biggest question remains: will we ever find a way to cross into another universe? Or are we destined to remain trapped in our own, forever wondering what lies beyond?